whether a reconvert to Hinduism can be accorded the status of scheduled caste if accepted by the community. The great grandfather of the appellant belonged to Hindu Pulaya community. His son Chothi embraced Christianity and accepted a new name, that is Varghese, who married Mariam, who originally belonged to Hindu Ijava community and later on converted to Christianity. In the wedlock, three sons, namely Varghese, Yohanan, and Paulus, were born. The father of the appellant, Paulus, got married to Kunjamma, who was a Christian. The appellant, who was born on 3/1/1960, sometime in the year 1984, at the age of 24, converted himself to Hindu religion and changed his name to that of K.P. Manu. On the basis of the conversion, he applied for a caste certificate to Akhil Bhartiya Ayappa Seva Sangam. Be it stated, the appellant, after conversion, had obtained a certificate from the concerned community on 5th February 1984. Eventually, the Tahsildar, who was authorized to issue the caste certificate, had issued the necessary caste certificate. One Sri S. Sri Kumar Menon invoked the jurisdiction of the scrutiny committee under section 11(3) of the Kerala Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Regulation of Issue of Community Certificates Act 1996, challenging the grant of caste certificate, namely Hindu Pulaya, to the appellant. The committee conducted an inquiry and found that the appellant was erroneously issued a caste certificate, inasmuch as he was not of Hindu origin and hence could not have been conferred the benefit of the caste status. On the basis of the aforesaid report of the scrutiny committee, the state government directed the employer of the appellant to remove him from service and recover a sum of rupees 15 lakhs towards the salary paid to him. The said report of the committee and the order in sequitur, having the base on the report, were challenged before the High Court, which ultimately dismissed the appeal. If a person who is born to Christian parents who had converted to Christianity from the scheduled caste Hindu can avail the benefit of the caste certificate after his embracing Hinduism, subject to other qualifications, there cannot be any soundness of logic that he cannot avail the similar benefit because his grandparents were converted and he was born to the parents who were Christians. The community that is Akhil Bhartiya Ayappa Seva Sangham, which is a recognized organization by the state government, has granted the certificate in categorical terms in favor of the appellant. It is the community which has the final say as far as acceptance is concerned, for it accepts the person on reconversion and takes him within its fold. Therefore, we are inclined to hold that the appellant, after reconversion, had come within the fold of the community and thereby became a member of the scheduled caste. Consequently, the appeal is allowed and the judgment and order of the High Court findings of the scrutiny committee and the orders passed by the state government and the second respondent are set aside.